Autism spectrum disorder is a neurological and developmental disorder that begins early in childhood and lates throughout a person's life. It affects how a person acts and interacts with others, communicates, and learns. It includes what used to be known as Asperger's syndrome and pervasive developmental disorders. And it is called a spectrum disorder because people with ASD can show a range of symptoms. People with ASD might have problems communicating or maintaining eye contact. They may also have restricted interest and restrictive behaviors. Signs and symptoms of autism spectrum disorders. Scientists do not yet know exactly what causes ASD. However, some people with ASD are known to carry a genetic variation throughout to behind it. There are multiple causes of ASD, although most are not yet known. Possible red flags. A person with ASD might not respond to their name being called by 12 months of age, not point at objects to show interest by 14 months, not play pretend games by 18 months, avoid eye contact and want to be alone, have a trouble displaying empathy, have delayed speech and language skills, repeat words or phrases repeatedly, give unrelated answers to questions, get upset by minor changes. Communication. Each person with ASD has different communication skills. Some people can speak well, others can't speak at all or only very little. About 40% of children with ASD do not talk at all. About 25 to 30% of children with ASD have some words at 12 to 18 months of age and then lose them. Others might speak but not until later in childhood. Examples of communication issues related to ASD: delayed speech and language skills, reversing of personal pronouns, does not point or respond to pointing, use of few or no gestures, talks in a flat, robot-like or sing-song voice, does not understand jokes, sarcasm or teasing, unusual interests and behaviors. ASD begins before the age of 3 and lasts throughout a person's life, although symptoms may improve over time. Some children with ASD show hints of future problems within the first few months of life. In others, symptoms may not show up until 24 months or later. Some children with an ASD seem to develop normally until around 18 to 24 months of age, and they stop gaining new skills or they lose the skills they once had. Studies have shown that 1/3 to half of parents of children with an ASD noticed a problem before their child's first birthday, and nearly 80 to 90% saw problems by 24 months of age. What are the treatments for autism? There is currently no one standard treatment for autism spectrum disorder (ASD), but there are many ways to help minimize the symptoms and maximize abilities. People who have ASD have the best chance of using all of their abilities and skills if they receive appropriate therapies and interventions. Here are some treatments: behavioral management therapy, cognitive behavior therapy, early intervention, educational and school-based therapies, joint attention therapy, medication treatment, nutritional therapy, occupational therapy, parent mediated therapy, physical therapy, social skills training,